Reboso Jacob Andre R. Best in reading, best in APE, best in math, best in writing, best in Filipino, Eagle Beaver Award, most neat, most energetic, most polite, most cheerful, and most improved. Reboso Jacob Andre P.